Well, today I'm going to show you how to customize your mobile menu in WordPress. So the first step, you log into your admin panel as usual. Then after you go to customize. When you click on customize, it's going to lead us to this interface. So under this interface, what you're going to do, you scroll down and then you click here on the mobile version. So I'm going to customize my mobile menu. So I click on this icon for mobile, then I go ahead, I click on what? I click on the main row as you're seeing. So when you click on the main row, this is what is displayed. So the menu I want to customize, it is of this mobile. So this is my mobile version because this is a phone, and when I try to click here, this is how my menu looks like. So assume maybe you want to change you may want to change a few things. So if you want to change some icons on your mobile menu, you simply come and click on what? On mobile menu. So when you click on mobile menu, we have here the drop down tango icon. So when you look at this is my mobile menu. We have here a plus sign, and when I click on the plus sign, it displays a drop down list. So if I want to change this icon maybe to this, and I publish, so when I come back to my home tab here, let me try to refresh because it's online. I refresh, you're seeing the magic, our icon has changed. So if you want a plus icon, you can go ahead and put the what? The plus icon, then you customize. When I try to view my website, I refresh it and I try to view it on my mobile, the icon has changed. Then the other feature, if you want to change the background color of your mobile menu, so you come here and you click on off canvas area. So when you click on off canvas area, you go where there is design. Then when you come here, you can change the design. Let me copy this since I'm going to replace it back again. So assume I want to give it color, let's say this red, it's orange, then I publish. So when I come here on my mobile version, let me first close this, I refresh my mobile version, then I click. You're seeing the magic? Your color has changed to the one you have just changed. So let me stick with the current color since it was matching. So that's how you're able to change the background color for your menu on a mobile view. So when you try to refresh here and you click on the menu icon, this is what you're able to see. You're able to get your color. So for the sizes, if you want to change the sizes, you simply here, if you want to give it border, you can give it border also. So this, the rest no need. So back to the mobile version, if you want to change the design, the size, let's say you want to change the font size because right now this one is Roboto, and maybe you want to change the font size of your menu on mobile to Sans, Newton Sans. So you come here, then you put on Newton Sans, then you publish. When you publish, you also the drop down list, also you change the font size to Sans, Newton Sans. So you publish. So when you publish and you go to your mobile version, let me first close, then I refresh, I click, you're seeing our font has changed to Newton Sans as you're able to see. So it is just simple. What you need to do is understanding where to click because it is just clicking and dragging. So if you want to change the color for the initial color, the color for the tabs, assume you want them to appear in black, you select black. When someone clicks white, publish. So when you go to our mobile version here, as you're seeing, and you try to refresh, before it was white, now it is showing black. So when I click, it displays white. So I don't need this color because it is not matching with what I want. I need to be having color white, then here I want to be having this orange. So when I publish and I click here on my mobile version, let me refresh it. So the magic has happened. So that's how you're able to customize your mobile menu in WordPress. Thank you so much. God bless you.